So now if I click on the first task, the annotation screen will open. Okay, I can start by filtering maybe the low confidence score predictions and say, okay, I'm going to start from this and then edit this version of pre-annotation. This will add a new completion, right, which was generated by DIA, and we'll see a lot of a couple of statistical information here, how much time each edit will take, how many, what's the source, if this completion was cloned from something else. You see here it was cloned from a prediction, which was filtered using this information. Now, all of those completions, they don't go away, so they are not, users will not be able to remove them. So we'll have an audit trail of everything that happened in terms of annotations for each one of the tasks, for each one of the projects, right? So, and we'll be able to go back to that version and edit it further or clone it or just check it and compare it with another completion. Now let's assume that this is correct. I'm just going to update it. If I want, I can do some modification. For instance, I don't know, let me go to the annotations view and pick these relations and just remove it by pressing the back button from my keyword, right? From my keyboard.